Welcome to the introduction of the heat map feature in Data Explorer for Neo4j. Here we have loaded a sample set of nodes from the Movies database. First, we will run a graph analysis algorithm. For this example, we will use node degree, which counts the number of connections each node has. In the Movies database, a person node with a higher degree means that person has participated in more movies. Once the algorithm finishes, the degree of each node is displayed on its label and visualized as a heat map overlay in the background. We can easily toggle the heat map on or off using this switch. However, heat maps aren't limited to algorithm results. They can also visualize property values directly. For example, let's look at the number of votes each movie has received. To do so, we add a new property mapping for the movie node's vote counts and set the target to heat. Now we can instantly see which movies have high or low vote counts based on the heat intensity. By default, this uses a linear scale. However, if our data spans a wide range, switching to a logarithmic scale can make differences easier to interpret. We can also customize the colors of the heat map gradient. This is useful when there are multiple heat mappings on the graph. For example, we will add another heat map to visualize the birth years of person nodes and set it to a different color. This way, it's always clear which heat map corresponds to which property. To improve clarity in this demo, we'll remove the heat map from the person nodes again. If you prefer the classic rainbow heat map colors, click the Reset button to switch back. We can also reverse the gradient scale so that the highest values display as the lowest heat intensity and vice versa. That's it for the overview. Feel free to explore and create your own beautiful visualizations in Data Explorer. Visit yworks.com/data explorer for Neo4j and start exploring.